morning. Welcome to Just Restaurant. This is a menu. What's your order?
Itong deep fried sandwich.
Okay po.
But before serving the order, let us know what the tools, ingredients, procedures of deep fried sandwich.
The tools we use for cooking deep fried sandwich are deep fryer or large pan, tongs or slotted spoon, wire wrap or paper towels, mixing bowls, whisk or pour, cutting board, and
The ingredients of deep fried sandwich are bread, butter or coating,
Fillings, oil.
vegetable, and chicken.
The procedure of deep fried sandwich. Step 1. Prepare the sandwich. Step 2. Prepare the batter. Step 3. Heat the oil. Step 4. Coat the sandwich. Step 5. Fry the sandwich. Step 6. Drain the sandwich. Step 7. Serve.
Hi ma'am, this is your order. Enjoy your meal po. Thank you. You're welcome.